We're going to see the scattered rain as we get into the day, and we're also going to see those waves pick up as we have a high surf advisory in effect. Now, this goes until Wednesday. We could see those west-facing beaches possibly get up to 10-foot waves. We're also seeing it for the Central Coast. It's going to peak this afternoon to later tonight. And the rainfall totals we saw from yesterday's storm that moved through, most places saw 3/4 of an inch or less, though Rocky Butte in SLO County, just over 1.5 inches. That's one of our extreme places. And we're going to see a little bit more rain in some places tonight. In fact, the Futurecast again shows that line being picked up. Again, we could see some isolated thunderstorms this morning. It's going to move toward us, but as we get into the 12:30 hour, we may see again some heavy rain in the San Luis Obispo area, as well as pushing into parts of Ventura County. As we get into the 3:30 hour, we are going to see that line with our next system moving through. By 7 o'clock, we could start to see some heavy rain falling from San Luis Obispo to Santa Maria. Moving the clock ahead to 8:30 tonight, we see that line push through the south coast, but it's not looking like we're going to see actually that much rain in the beginning. But as we get later into the evening, 11:30, we could see that heavy rain start to fall as you're going to sleep in Santa Barbara, South Coast, Goleta, Montecito. That's going to push through, move through Ventura County, and then as we get into the 6:30 hour on your Wednesday, we become a lot less cramped on our radar. In fact, you'll see the scattered showers are going to be moving through. Even in the 9:30 hour, they're going to be very isolated. They're going to move through pretty quickly. And then as we get into your Wednesday evening, mostly clouds sticking around, but we start to dry up, and that's how it's going to be as we get to the rest of the week. So what can we expect? Well, we're going to see that rain again tonight through Wednesday morning. The rain totals anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches, and gusty winds are going to be possible for us. And the temperatures are going to be chilly yet again. So here's what we're looking at as far as your highs, mostly in the 50s and the 60s. Now, as we get toward the second half of the week, we are going to see much clearer conditions. We're going to see a little bit more sunshine on Thursday and temperatures in the 60s. But this weekend, we were tracking a storm, but it's looking more and more now like we'll just get some clouds out of it on Friday, and we'll see much warmer temperatures as we get into the weekend. Here's your forecast. San Luis Obispo, overnight temperatures will be chilly in the San Ynez Valley, close to 70 by next Monday.